can be frustrating. To resolve this issue, consider the following steps. 1. Run the Program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter. Microsoft offers a tool designed to fix installation issues. Download the troubleshooter. Visit the official Microsoft website to download the Program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter. Execute the tool. Run the troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions to detect and resolve any installation problems. This method has been effective in resolving similar installation errors. Site turn search for 2. Delete existing Epic Games files. Residual files from previous installations can interfere with the setup process. Navigate to the installation directory. Go to C, Program Files, x86, sec, remove the Epic Games folder. If an Epic Games folder exists, delete it to eliminate any conflicting files. This approach has been recommended by users facing similar issues. Site turn search 3. Check for system updates. Ensure your operating system is up to date, as missing updates can cause installation problems. Update Windows. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. 4. Run the installer as administrator. Administrative privileges can sometimes prevent premature termination of the setup. Right-click the installer. Locate the Epic Games Launcher installer file. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. 5. Disable antivirus and firewall temporarily. Security software can sometimes block installations. Turn off antivirus. Refer to your antivirus software's instructions to disable it temporarily. Disable firewall. Go to Control Panel, System and Security, Windows Defender Firewall. Select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and disable it temporarily. Remember to re-enable both after the installation is complete. 6. Ensure sufficient disk space. Lack of adequate storage can hinder the installation process. Check disk space. Ensure you have enough free space on your primary drive to accommodate the Epic Games Launcher. If the issue persists after trying these solutions, consider reaching out to Epic Games Support